In a major success to the army officials and the BRO, the connectivity between the rest of the Uttarakhand region, which is Haridwar, Rishikesh, which connects to Dharali and Harchal region, had now been established. Let me show you these visuals. This is Bhagirathi River, which is flowing across, and the army officials in BRO had been able to complete the construction of this iron bridge by this afternoon. Certainly, those people who wanted to walk and cross this bridge, the permission has been given, but as of now the vehicular movement has not been started, but the officials had been stating that the vehicular movement will start by this evening or tomorrow morning, and certainly it would be a great help to the army officials who wanted to take the earth moving equipments towards the Dharali region, where a massive flat flush has arrived. Remember this road, and there are several such roads, bridges which were completely damaged because of the excessive rainfall, and you can see these heavy trucks, the JCBs in and around this particular area where to construct these bridges, important equipments are being needed. As of now, the vehicular movement has not been started, but certainly it is these people, the officials from the BRO and army are making it possible to complete this work as soon as possible, so that the connectivity, the vehicular connectivity in fact establishes from the rest of Uttarakhand towards the Dharali region. This is Ishwari Jain, this video journalist Shiv Kumar Tiwari for NDTV.